Katie Boulter felt like a giddy child after the sweetest of victories on centre court to book a second-round spot. The British No. 2 claimed an impressive 6-2-3-6, 6-4 victory over No. 9 seed Paula Badosa, a fourth top 10 scalp of her career. Katie Boulter fought in front of a partisan British crowd. Paula Badosa rallied to take the second set. It booked a clash against Solana Sierra of Argentina on Wednesday, as 28-year-old Boulter hopes to get past the third round of Wimbledon for the first time. At 4-4 in the third set. It could have gone either way, and Boulter laughed. I didn't have any nerve, and I was bricking it completely. I have played a lot of good stuff recently and let it slip. I just tried to fight and compete and hope she missed. I am thrilled. This court is the epitome of every British child's dreams of playing on and winning on. It's a dream come true. I saw the schedule and I was so excited. I felt like a little girl again. Boulter's victory completed a nightmare day for tennis power couple Badosa and boyfriend Stefanos Tsitsipas. Earlier in the day, Tsitsipas retired down 2 sets to French qualifier Valentin Royer. The Greek called it a day, trailing 6-3, 6-2. Having got the trainer out in the second set, following his disappointing defeat, Tsitsipas revealed, "It's probably the most difficult situation that I've ever been faced with, because it's an ongoing issue that doesn't seem to be disappearing or fading off as much. Myself, as a person, I have a limit at some point. So I'll definitely have to have my final answer on whether I want to do stuff or not in the next couple of months. This is going to be hard, but if I see it going in that trajectory, there is no point at competing.